Hi, in this video we're going to learn to sort and visualize data using Excel. So here we have a sales report of a company for the month of January. We have the products that they sell, their cost and selling price, the profit that this company made from selling each product, and the commission that each salesperson has received, and the names of the salesperson. First, we're going to make separate columns for the first and the last names of the sales people. So to do that, since it's a long list, we're going to select the first box with the name, hold on to the Shift key on the keyboard, scroll down, select the last box with the name. Now we have successfully selected all the names. Now we go under Data, to Text to Columns, and then it asks for delimiter. So select delimiters. Delimiter is the divider that separates two words. So here we want to see that what separates our first and last names. So a space is separating our first and last names. So we're going to select space and apply. Now here we have the first name. So the first names of our salespeople, and here we have their last names. From a long list of data, we can retrieve information using filter. To add filter, we go under Data, select Filter, and then what it does is add the drop-down box on the headings of each column. And using that, we can filter the specific information. For example, we want to check out the sales of Emma. So what we can do is click on the drop-down box by the first name, deselect all the names, and select Emma's, and then apply the changes. And now here we have Emma's sales report. So the products she sold, their selling and cost price, the profit, her commission, and her first and last name. Now we can go back and bring back all the salesperson's report by clicking back on the drop-down box, select all, and then apply. So here we went back to our original sales report. Now we can do not only for the first name, we can do that for the product. So if you want to check out the sales of printer, who sold it, what was the profit, what was the selling price, we can do that by clicking on the drop-down box by product. Now deselect all the boxes, and then we want to check out printer, and then apply. So it shows the sale of printers. So there are 4 printers sold, and sold by Ellie, Jennifer, Charles, and Jennifer. So Jennifer sold 2 printers, and that's the profit we made. And then now we want to bring back the original data. So we again go back to the drop down box on the product, select all, and then apply. So we can analyze our data on Excel using pivot table. So to add pivot table, we go under Insert, Pivot Table, and by default it selects all of our data, and the new under location is the new worksheet. Okay, so it's gonna add new worksheet to our original Excel sheet. Now, using the pivot table, we can select the names of our salespeople, and let's suppose we want to check out the profit they have made or they have bring to the company. So here it shows the sum of profit each of our salesperson have made, and now we want to check out their commission. So here it shows the sum of the commission. Now we want to check out what product they sold. So it shows us the products for each of our salesperson has sold to here. And then it also shows us the grand total of the profit and the grand total of the commission. So now let's deselect the product and commission. Now, what if we want to visualize our data? To do that, we can create a pie chart. To create a pie chart, we go under Insert, Pie Chart, 2D Pie, and here it's going to produce a pie chart for the salesperson and the profit that they have bring to the company. So here, the dark blue is Ellie, the orange is Charles, gray is Emma, yellow is Herman, Jennifer is light blue, and Ralph is green. So here it shows that Ellie is our best salesman. He has bring the most of the profit, and followed by Emma. Now, similarly, if you want to, so we want to go back. So I'm just gonna do home and undo. And we don't want the pie chart for the profit, we want it for commission. So we want to see who is making the most commission. To do that, we'll select commission from our pivot table, go on Insert, click on the pie chart and 2D pie, and now here it shows how much commission each of our salesperson are making. So again, the most of the commission made is by Ellie and followed by Emma. And the least of the commission, I think all three of these are same. So Herman, Herman, Charles, and Ralph, they're making same amount of commission. So using the pie chart, we can visualize our data and interpret it in an easier way. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.